Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make stew peas with smoked turkey. I already prepared my peas, already washed and soaked it. So here I have my peas, and inside of it I have garlic and ginger. So I'm just going to pour my peas inside the water, and then I will cover it for an hour. Here are some seasoning that I will be using: in onion, my thyme, and my scallion. And as well, I'm going to be using, guys, do you know what is this? This is chayote in some places, but in Jamaica we call it chocho. They have two kinds. They have the white and they have the green, but mainly here they mostly have the green. In Jamaica they have white as well. And as well, I'm going to be using carrots in my stew. So I'm just gonna peel off the skin of the carrot. Back home we use a lot of this, especially on meats. Okay, like stews, we use a lot of chocho, and it's so good for your health as well. If you're diabetic, you can't have this chocho. It helps lower your sugar. So this is very good to have. And in Jamaica we use this, we mash this with gravy for babies. So it's a baby food as well, we use back in Jamaica. With like carrots, we cook it and mash them with gravy for your baby. As well as the older people who cannot eat when they're in bed and they're not able to eat proper food, they mash this with any type of gravy and give it to them as well. So this is very useful and it's very healthy. It's more watery, but it's very, very healthy. It's very good for you guys. This is how it looks on the inside. Okay guys, and in Jamaica, if you want to plant it now, this is how we put it in the earth, like this, down, put the head down and this part up. So whenever it's ready, it sprouts up. Chocho is grown on the vine, okay? Something like a pumpkin. That's how it's grown. This is a very lovely dish, guys. It's smoked turkey. Where anything that's smoked, it really tastes really good. I'm from a farming community. My mom and dad is a farmer, and back home, when my mom used to go to market, she used to bring home tripe, and tripe is the cow intestine. And back then, because I'm from the country, we have an outside kitchen, and in the outside kitchen we have area where it's built in with blocks, and we use wood for our fire. Okay, above it my mom would put some type of wood. With the tripe, we would wash it and salt it, and then put it above the wood fire. Okay guys, it's like a thing that she built, and then when the smoke catch it, it's smoked. So we use that. That's how we cure our meat back in Jamaica if we don't have refrigerator. So I'm from the country, so I know what it is like there. Okay guys, so this is what my mom usually do, because in my town I didn't have electricity. So that is one of the ways that we cure our meat. We either make it fresh. We raise a lot of cows, and we raise a lot of chickens, and we raise a lot of goats and pigs as well. So my mom also, she has a shop, so we butcher our pigs. We corn it, so we use pimento leaves and salt, lots of salt, and we corn the meat of the pig, and then we sell it to the community. So that's the way how we cure our meat, by smoking or by using salt and pimento leaves to cure the meat, and that's how we do it. And for the chicken, we always have fresh chicken, and if we have leftover, we fry it up and have it for the next day to use, so we would make stew. That's one of the ways that we do cure our chicken. So guys, that's a little story of where I'm from and how we do things in the country. I'm a country girl and I just love country. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, fresh food from the earth. Guys, it's just a good way of living. So guys, so I'm gonna continue to cut in my carrots. Let's check my peas to see where it's at. Well. So I'm going to add my smoked turkey. So this is what the smoked turkey is like. Okay, I'm gonna put that inside the pot. Put it inside. And I'm just gonna cover it back and let it cook for at least 45 minutes. Okay guys. And I'm going to be putting spinners inside here as well, alongside my vegetables. Guys, it is going to smell amazing in here. Let's put the spinners inside. This is what spinners is, guys. So sometimes I will be making them in balls, and this is what it is to make them in balls, just like this. So you just do it like this in this roll, just like that. That's what it is, should be. You're gonna just take a little piece of it at a time and just roll it in the hand. Just roll and drop it in the pot. Just roll and drop. Guys, I wish you could smell this aroma that's coming from this pot. Smoked meat give a different flavor altogether. It's really tasty. It's really tasty cooking. So now it's time for me to add my carrots and chocho. And at the same time, I will add my seasoning to the pot, because I will be adding coconut cream. I have a half package of coconut cream. So I'll be adding my thyme and scallion. So I'm just gonna crush it up to infuse the juices of the scallion. Okay, and I'll dice up my onions, guys. This is a garlic, ginger, and pimento. Okay. I don't go with measurement, guys. So let's stir it up. Let's taste it. Flavor, guys. I need some extra flavor. I'm gonna add some of this caravan spice. Let's check to see the pot, to see where it is at. It smells amazing inside here, guys. Wow. Look at this. This is how I wanted my pot to be, guys. I wish you could. Wow. Let's show you what it's like inside my pot, guys. Look at that. Can you see my pot? It's beautiful. My stew is now finished, and I'm gonna be plating my stew, guys. Beautiful, beautiful plate. I wish you could smell the aroma coming from here. Okay guys, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I made some salad. I made some nappa cabbage with carrots and cucumber. This is my salad I'm going to put on. Amazing, guys. Let's taste with me, guys. Mmm. My salad. So good. That's my turkey. Guys, I wish you could taste this food right now. Tastes amazing. So delicious. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press the notification bell so it will let you know when I'm on, when I share my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.